How to remove Quick Add on Snapchat. So go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. Then tap your profile icon, which you can find on the upper left corner. Now tap the gear icon, which is located on the upper right corner. And then from here, scroll down until you see Me in Quick Add. So tap this option and disable this feature. So by disabling this feature, your account won't be seen in other people's Quick Add list. Now go back and scroll down until you see this option, Contact Syncing. Tap this option and tap the toggle button beside Share Contacts with Snapchat. And after you disable this feature, tap Remove Sync Contacts from Snapchat. So by confirming this action, all of the previously synced contacts in your account will be deleted. So tap Confirm, so those contacts that were synced won't appear on your Quick Add list, removing the Quick Add option. And so that is how you remove Quick Add on Snapchat. Thank you and have a great day.